fly crazy. Okay. Yeah, it feels like bottom heavy. I don't know how to describe it.
Definitely weird.
It's a weird fire. Hey, you're flying way too tame.
Way too tame.
Not my thing.
I fly crazy.
I hear you.
I really do.
I don't fly as crazy as either of you. Because if I did, I'd be in the ground all the time.
Well, that's why I have probably so many twins with it.
I hear you.
Alright, do you want to take it?
Fly as much as you want.
I can try landing.
Sure.
I don't want to break.
I've already crashed it. That's the rule. Yeah, quick.
Fun.
We were saying we wanted that Happy Holes guy to plow down the, to mow the
Move
the runway.
Yeah.
Just the runway here, you know? We don't
Yeah.
need it over here, but just the runway.
It took like 5 minutes. He knows where the zero turn is. He can hop on.
Oh, okay. I'll do it tomorrow. That was a nice low, slow pass. I like that.
Do you want to take it though? Because I don't want to break while I land. Or do you want me to land?
Go for it. Did you see my cartwheel landing just now?
I did.
No, I didn't actually. That was in the air.
Oh yeah, you missed it.
I'm sorry. Oh!
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
Alright, still 2.5 minutes?
Yeah.